If your old TV have only RCA input, you can see, and your laptop have a HDMI output, this is not problem with this device. Today I will show you how to convert HDMI laptop to RCA old TV. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. Today I will show you and introduce this device. Very useful converter HDMI to AV. As you can see, this device have a input HDMI port here and have a output RCA AV here, and here USB power 5 volt and switch with NTSC and PAL. For use this device for laptop, you need a power supply first, 5 volt with this cable USB to mini USB, put here USB power, and for output TV you need RCA cable, this yellow for video, red for audio stereo, and white for audio stereo. This output to all TV. And for input you need a HDMI cable for input, this converter, okay, and this connector connect to HDMI output from laptop. Now let's go to test this converter. Okay my friend, are you ready for testing this device? Please, before test, subscribe and like this video. For power, I use USB port from my laptop. You can use mobile charger. Now we need connect HDMI port to HDMI output from laptop here. Finally, you should connect RCA cable. In RCA input your old TV, yellow for video and white and red for stereo audio input. Now you can change source TV to AV to here. Oh yes, that's good. You can see here, change HDMI output from laptop to your TV. It's a best quality. I try show you other picture or video. Here I try show you other picture. As you can see, this picture here in my Windows. AV output have a low quality versus HDMI output. This is natural. HDMI output is digital and AV output is analog and older. Thank you very much. Goodbye.